In a small town, residents complained of hearing strange sounds at night. "It's the phantom frequencies," cried old Mr. Jenkins, waving his cane. Curious, young Timmy decided to investigate. He tiptoed through the town, following the eerie hum. He found himself at the local radio station, where DJ Mike was asleep at the controls, snoring loudly into the microphone. Timmy laughed. The phantom frequencies are just Mike's snores. The town had a good chuckle, and DJ Mike became a local legend. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.